Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use text effectively in Adobe Premiere Pro, as creating engaging and professional looking videos often involves adding text elements such as titles, captions, and logo thirds. So let's get started. To add a text, you can go to here, Tools panel. At the bottom, you'll find here Type tool. So select this one, and now you can click anywhere in your program monitor to enter your text. Now if you go here in your timeline, you will see Premiere has automatically created a new text layer on the timeline and text appear on a new video track here above your footage. Now let's edit our text and format it. For that you can go to this panel, graphics panel here. If you don't see it here, you can go to window, workspace and captions and graphics. So here you can go here, the very first option you have font. By default it's made of font, you can change it whatever you want. So I'll click here and I'll press Ctrl A or Command A on Mac. And you can choose from a variety of fonts or install custom one. So then we have this spacing. You can control the spacing between the letters. If you click and drag, and if you have multiple lines like this, you can control the spacing here as well with this one. I will leave it as is. And then we have add here fill color. You can change the color of your text. And you can add a stroke as well if you want. And you can increase the stroke width. Then we have background color. You can add color in the background. Like this is the gray color. I'll make it black. And this is the transparency of this color. So if I click outside, you can see this is the black color we've added. And then this is the black box we've added at the bottom. We can make it larger, small, and then this is the control for curve. You can create the curve on the edges if you see. And after that, if you have this shadow color, you can apply the shadow with the text. I'll remove this. At the last option we have alignment. You can align this text anywhere you want on your screen. Like right now this is not exactly center, so I'll click on this center. Now this is aligned on center. Now you can also animate this text. You can go here in the effects panel here, and here if you have option for animating, if you see this is the motion, and anywhere you see this stopwatch icon, that means you can animate that property. Like if I want to animate this scale, I can click here to add one keyframe, and from 100% I'll make it smaller, like 50 or 40%, and then I'll go here, I'll make it again 100%. So if I play again, you can see. So this way you can create animation. Let's add one more keyframe for opacity. And here I'll make it again 100%. So this way you can create animation for text. Premiere also comes with the preset animations and graphics. If you go here at the bottom, you can see the graphics template. And here you have lots of options. Like the very first one, if you see, this is the wipe transition pre-made. You can drag and drop here. Then we have this angle coming over text animation. As you can see, this is animated. So I'll just select this one or drag it here. You go here, select this, and drag it into timeline where you want. So if you play here, it will come this coming up text. And if you click this one, you can have the control for editing here on the right side. So I'll make this one down here. And here we have the control for all those. If I click on this coming up text, you see I have the control for font, size, color, alignment. So I'll make it slightly bigger. And then I'll move it slightly down with this alignment and transform. I'll make it in center. And then you can go back and you can make the font change. Like I'll make it bold, italic. I'll make slight size bigger. And if I go back here, you can see the animation. So this way you can drag and drop from graphics template pre-made. So there are lots of presets made for you here. You can just drag and drop and animate them as you want. We can also create captions and subtitles here. So for that, you can go here in the effects panel, here text, and here we have option to create captions, or you can import as well. I'll create on this create new captions tag. So that we can add here one track for our captions. I'll just click OK. And here we have one track for subtitle. I'll go here and now I can create one subtitle here. So I'll click on this plus icon. Or you can type it, and whatever you type, it will display here. Right now this is coming here as a new captions. So I'll type here. So you see, we added this text and it is coming here. And now you can edit it, click on this, and right side you have control for everything like text size. I can make it bigger. I can change the font here. And then we can control the opacity and color as well, or leave the color as is. I'll add background. And then I'll make it 100%. I'll make it slightly bigger. I'll make it completely black. I can make curves. So this way you can add captions as well. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.